Hi everyone, Adam from Adam Flowerman. Welcome to another video. This video I'm showcasing a wedding we did on the weekend. Most of this video is photo images because of the crazy timeline we had, but I managed to get a few clips which I hope's impactful and just shows all the hard work that we do towards any wedding we do. In the future I hope to have more video content and show more of the processes that we go through. A lot of prep work goes into a wedding, and we mainly start with roses, which are a big feature of all our weddings. About a week out we'll start prepping flowers, mainly with our large roses. We condition them early with a few tricks to open the heads quite large, and in a sense they're bloomed ready for the wedding. So these lovely roses here, there's many different types. First video was of Dave Austin roses, then we got Tibet, Eskimo, and a few others. So all different shades of white. For this wedding, I mainly used Ecuadorian roses for the bridal bouquet, and then we used the other different roses for various pieces of the wedding. The conditioning process is a little bit tedious, but my usual rule of thumb is to leave the roses out for a day or two. Then we'll cut the stems and they should open up quite big. Spend a lot of time cleaning all the petals, make sure there's no blemishes or bruises, and this can take a long time. If they're a little bit damaged in packaging, there's not much we can do about that, but most of the time they're in quite good condition, almost ready to use. I thought this would be a nice little transition. At the same time as doing the previous wedding, we're working on another bridal bouquet for the same day. Usually we don't want to jam pack the days too much, but they insisted, so we're very happy to help. This one took a while though. We just had to keep playing with composition a little bit and then changing roses to a bit more whiter and a bit more pinkier, giving it that wedding feeling. So we're back to the first wedding and we've pretty much done the bridal bouquet. The shape of the second bridal bouquet has gone down a little bit, making it a bit smaller but a bit more whimsical.